We are at Temple Fest 2024.
September 14th.
September 14th, yeah. Here is Ashwini and Sushil, and this is me, Pankaj Negi, and we are starting with the Tamil, no, not Tamil, the Telugu stall, and these guys have live. What is this called? Pungulu. So they are making live Pungulu. It looks so good, so good, so delicious.
Amazing.
Yeah,
You need our picture?
I am recording a video.
Oh, good.
So what are you making?
Pudugulu.
Punugulu. Okay.
टोपी हटाइए आप टीवी पे आएंगे
And these guys are making. What are these guys making?
This is cut mirchi.
Cut mirch. And what is that next thing?
Stuffing into the cut mirchi.
Stuffing into the cut mirch. Oh, nice. I didn't know that. Oh, these guys are making that, huh?
That is how they are stuffing.
Oh, cool. This is how they are making cut mirch. Filling
Open this
a good mixture of groundnuts, save, onion, and I guess cilantro. Yep, that's pretty cool. Thank you so much. Let's move on. आइए सर. ये है तेलुगु देशम. जब हमने देखा था वो यहाँ जो वहाँ बन रहा था वो यहाँ बिक रहा है. Let's take a look at their price list. Let's move on. Yes, very well prepared. Hey man, how are you doing?
good.
Sunil Petty ji is here. Hey, cool. यहाँ सेल्फ प्रमोशन चल रहा है. कश्मीरी लोग अपने स्टॉल को प्रमोट करते हुए.
मेरा फैमिली गाइस मैराथन रन कर रहे हैं. उन लोग तो भूखे रहेंगे ना, तो आएंगे.
क्या चल रहा है? मैराथन है आज.
आज अभी हमारा पिक्चर में गाइस
अच्छा,
मैराथन.
गाइस मैराथन आज ही है. मुझे मालूम
उसका
नहीं.
हो गया अभी.
अच्छा,
So just done and they're coming.
very good.
Yeah.
चलिए.
चलो.
Cool. See ya. Over here, this is Kokum Sharbat and Marathi Katta. We have Marathi stalls. What do we have here? We have Maratha Manas. Hey man, how are you? So what do we have here?
Pav bhaji, misal, khichdi, shrikhand.
Arey wow, that sounds so amazing. What is this? Is that pav bhaji? Where's the misal? I want to see misal. Oh, it's already packed. Good. So nice misal over here. That is misal and there is dal for the misal. Cool. Thank you.
स्मेलिंग इज फ्री बहुत दूर से
That's good. I love misal. Okay, this next stall. What is the next stall? It looks pretty good. People are busy here. What is that? Kannad? Kannad Association of Indianapolis Inc.
इडली डोसा सांभर
Wow. So that starts from here. That's
Yeah,
the
we're
prep
making
station.
fresh pay.
And then they have sambar, idli, chutney 1, chutney 2. And then what is this? What is this?
Bismillah bhat.
Bismil bhat.
Yes, this is bismillah bhat.
Uh-huh.
We have idli chutney. We have bhel puri. We have
That was so good. You can tell how much practice
Nice.
they put into that.
And,
And it's going to be followed
we have
by
sabudana kheer.
solo singer
Nice.
Abhinav
badam milk
Rampur.
and buttermilk.
Okay,
Masala
cool.
buttermilk.
Let's take a look at their menu. Over here, they have everything. Cool. आइए सर, चलें? आगे बढ़ते हैं. बड़ा यम्मी लग रहा है. हाँ, वो कहाँ है? People are trying to understand what is being sold here. अरे हमारा तीसरा खिलाड़ी का गया. त्रिभुज का तीसरा गोल गायब हो गया हमारा. अरे वाह, ये है.
ये तो खानी पड़ेगी भाई
ये देखिए, नाम के अनुरूप
भाई जितनी टिकटें हैं सारी डाल दो और ऐसे
जाती है.
ये थोड़ा डेकोरेशन है ना.
राकेश जी कहाँ है?
राकेश वो हिंदी वाला कुछ है ना, उसमें गया हिंदी ऐसा.
आएंगे
ट्राई किया
कश्मीरी स्टॉल में बहुत अच्छा बन रहा है सही में हाँ अभी जा रहा हूँ
छोले दही जलेबी काला जामुन yeah
ये तो है ही है
काला जामुन is so beautiful and looks so appetizing so
she's expert
yeah आप इनके बारे में बताना चाहेंगे हाँ
ये तो मीना जी हैं हमारे प्रिय मित्र हैं हमारे फैमिली के दोस्त की पत्नी है राकेश जी
इनका
इनके हाथ का ये जो बनाते हैं ये काला जामुन इट इज लिटरली आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मतलब आपको ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट या किसी हलवाई से भी नहीं मिलेगा
या सुनने में आया इनका नाम भी बदल दिया लोगों ने मीना जी गुलाब जामुन वाले कर दिया है ऐसा हाँ इसमें कुछ सच्चाई है क्या
बिना गुलाब
हाँ मीना जी गुलाब वाली अच्छा वेरी गुड छोले भटूरे people are working and so amazing kachoris nice so good stand it
ये तो खाना ही है इसके बगैर हम घर नहीं जा सकते
चलिए सर आगे बढ़िए अब हम पहुंच गए हैं नेपाली एसोसिएशन चलिए कोई बात नहीं हम थोड़ा स्लो है
ये तो हमेशा हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ट्राई किया मोमोज वेज मोमो इनका बहुत अच्छा है
अच्छा।
उसके साथ चटनी मिलती है
अरे वाह व्हाट इज दिस चटनी कॉल्ड
Achar.
अचार ओके दिस इज अचार चटनी एंड दे हैव मालपुआ no what do we call this is
Malpua.
so you call it malpua as well in Nepal you call it
But they are
malpua
not soaked in sweet, they are just filled with and
okay good nice so we have malpua we have puri and chola nice there is a different twist to this puri it is Nepali puri
yeah.
and we have beautiful people serving this क्या क्वेश्चन था
मैं पूछा था इनको कि इज इट एनी डिफरेंट देन इंडियन छोलास
okay
she said this is less spicy than Indian
okay nice
We don't use that much condiments like Indians use. We use just basic condiments.
good
awesome all the best
what is this place hello
Kanchi stuff.
Kanchi stall
Yeah.
where is Kanchi
It's Chennai.
Chennai okay so within Chennai you have Kanchi specific stall
That's a good question. I don't know.
okay that's good
You can order there.
let's take a look at their menu for a minute
they got idli uttapam quinoa now nice quinoa set dosa
Quinoa dosa that's awesome yeah their food looks really good they have various kind of dosa and vada and Rogan drink oh sorry ragi drink there's a ragi drink here
ये भी ट्राई करना पड़ेगा
बिल्कुल हमें ना बड़े ग्रुप में आना पड़ेगा ये इतना सारा खाना है थोड़ा थोड़ा भी खाएगी तो भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा सो वी नीड मोर पीपल ओह वाओ दिस लुक्स सो प्रिटी देयर इज अ पिंक ड्रिंक एंड रेड ड्रिंक एंड देन देयर इज व्हाट इज दिस
बच्चों वाला स्टॉल लग रहा है
व्हाट इज
It
गुड
looks like a cookie.
या
Yeah, strawberry cookie, lychee strawberry, rose milk.
रोज मिल्क लीची स्ट्रॉबेरी
Or you can make a boba drink also.
ओके बोबा टी इज देयर जस्ट नाइस Who is Sorna? Who is Sorna? You're Sorna? Cool. Nice looking like stall.
Good job.
Very
Looks
good job. Yeah. So here we have Sorna selling various drinks. It looks so pretty. Nice. Thank you. Next one is jewelry. Hello.
जब तक शराब पिएगा नहीं उसके बाद ही ये सब खरीद के पहनेगा अभी तो नहीं पहन सकते
क्यों?
हम लोग तो नहीं पहनेंगे जब सब पिक जाएंगे
अच्छा तो पैसा मिलेगा plants yeah they are selling plants so we have plants over here small plants big plants small plant is $1 medium is $5 large is 15 to 20 what is this वही बताएंगे
Is this
excuse me
jasmine?
Yeah.
How much is this? $17.
what is this plant
Jasmine.
jasmine
Is
okay
it Indian jasmine or this is Japanese?
नहीं हाँ नहीं रात पता नहीं one of those I don't know Actually, I can smell and I can tell what it is. Sorry?
Like big plants?
Yeah, we like all the plants. We are gonna come back for those. We wanted to know what this is. So they said this is jasmine. What is it called in Hindi? Is it chameli or zatrani? That is fake.
Type in jasmine, Google.
Okay, I will Google. Yeah. I am gonna.
It's like flip out the tongue. I'm not able to get it.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Let's move on. There's more authentic handmade Kundan jewelry. What is Kundan, by the way? What is Kundan?
Kundan is a type of stone.
Stone?
Yeah, Kundan.
So in this stone is Kundan?
Right, all those.
Okay. Nice. So this is Kundan jewelry. Wait a second.
They have all kinds of.
Yep, looks so pretty nice. So do you guys make it yourself?
It's made by my sister-in-law.
Your sister-in-law?
Yeah,
Okay.
she makes it.
Your sister-in-law makes it.
This is silk thread and Kundan jewels.
That's nice. And how much does it cost?
That has pricing.
20 bucks. So for 20 bucks you can get
There
these
are 7
beautiful
bangles in it.
bangles. Nice.
7 of them.
Cool. Thank you. I think I might come back with my daughter.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are some pretty bracelets too. She's interested,
Oh yeah.
and some
Sure.
rings, finger rings.
Cool. These rings are nice.
Yeah.
This looks good. Even I can get one.
Those are adjustable. That's the best part of it.
Yep. Thank you.
Hey, there are some tie pins too for men.
Cool.
Like to put for the ties.
That's nice. बहुत बढ़िया चलिए सर
बहुत बढ़िया
दिल खुश हो गया भाग भाग
आप कुछ लेट ही लो मोदी के लिए
दिस इज एक्सप्लोरेशन टूर है ये इसमें भी एक्शन नहीं लेना होता
तो शांति का कहो
Yep. Another jewelry shop. We'll move on. Vinu Sikanji is here. Namaskar ji, कैसे हैं?
ठीक है ठीक है
Okay, very good.
Can you guys आप अनाउंस कर सकते हैं we are doing a raffle for Amazon gift card for $50
Okay, I think I cannot.
but can you tell somebody who is doing it I have given it to Anita ji so is she doing it
She should be, yeah.
अच्छा चल ठीक है
So
और आप
if you
लोग
are,
वीडियो बना
we are just taking like yeah. We are looking around. We are doing nothing productive. Sorry.
अपने मजे ले रहे हैं
We are disturbing people. Like you know, the people who are actually productive, we are disturbing
What's
them.
your name
हम सुशील भट्ट
Sushil Bhatt I'm Reenu
Pankaj
Pankaj
Negi.
I think
We
आपसे
have met,
मेरी बात
yeah.
है या
हाँ जी हाय आई एम अश्विनी भट्ट
वेरी नाइस तो आप लोग कहाँ से हो
यहाँ फिशर से हैं, ये काजमल से हैं,
नहीं
हम
इंडिया
दोनों-
से कहाँ से हो
इंडिया
नेपाल
से,
कहाँ से हो
कश्मीर से हैं, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ.
तो आपको फिर कश्मीरी फूड ट्राई करना पड़ेगा उधर
I
हमारा ऑथेंटिक
have-
फूड है
I love
You have to.
Kashmiri food.
दमालू है उधर कहवा है अपना राजमा चावल है
Sushil ji is very good salesperson.
बैंगन टमाटर
Yes,
बैंगन टमाटर
yes,
है
yes.
You
It
have to
is
eat टमाटर और ये सब घर में बना हुआ है सबने अपने हाथों से बनाया so there's nothing
No, I will definitely try. I'm glad you guys did that. But जो हम लोग के यहाँ ज़्यादा नहीं है कश्मीर से लोग. I think हमारे एक फ्रेंड हुआ करते थे राजेश के and then Usha, Prem and Usha they moved.
So almost anybody who lives in the 50-mile radius, you will find it at that stall.
Oh हाँ.
There are not too many people, like hardly 10 families,
हाँ.
and most of them would be there.
Oh wow, really? Oh wow. ठीक है.
all the best
All right.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
जी, take care.
Now this looks interesting. I don't know what it is, but this really looks mystic and interesting.
आज थोड़े हमारे काम का
Aura Reiki Healing Rejuvenation Temple. Nice.
Oh, me too.
So we have. Okay, sorry we are disturbing you. Hi, I'm Pankaj. What is your name?
Vetri.
Vetri. Vetri.
It means victory.
Vetri is victory. Nice.
Yes,
That's
yes.
cool. Vetri.
You need receipt?
What language is that?
No, I'm good.
Tamil.
Tamil?
Yeah, I'm
Okay, cool.
Okay. Thank you.
So what are we doing here?
So I'm selling crystals and crystal jewelry, and I'm also doing aura pictures.
What is that?
Aura pictures is you place your hand here, And then I have a software where it does all your sensors, the chakras and all that. So it shows what chakras are, how big they are, how small they are, what colors they are.
Okay.
And your base color will show up in the aura picture.
So-
And I send a 15-page report to your email.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So do you do this thing on a regular basis?
Yes.
Where do you do
I go
this?
to psychic fairs, wellness healing events, and events like this.
And where do you do this?
All the states, nearby states, like
Okay.
2 hours or 3 hours max.
But do you also have a shop or you
No, I work
business?
from home.
You work from home?
Yeah, yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah, that's cool.
I'm a software engineer. My day job is that. but
Cool, me too.
Reiki is my passion. So weekends and evenings, I do Reiki. If clients come, they come home.
Very good.
Yeah.
So you are software engineer and you are doing Reiki. So
Yeah.
so it means you might have followed the scientific process to
Yes, I
to
bring
find the
in,
effect of
so-
this Reiki.
Yes, so
Yeah.
you see, sir, I mentioned electromagnetic therapy. So
Mm-hmm.
I have skin art therapy and magnetic wands to do the healing sessions. So most of my psychic fairs and wellness fairs, I do the healing in the event.
Okay.
Right now I'm not doing because it's more like a
I get it,
a
yeah.
selling place. So
Yeah.
I'm just making sure I am aware that
So
people
what
are
kind
aware
of-
of my existence.
So what kind of ailment do you usually heal? Like what is the
So Reiki is a pulsating energy which makes your body to calm down so that the healing can happen. So whatever your belief systems, everything is there. As long as you allow it, it will work for you.
Yeah, but what kind of people usually come to you? Like most of the maximum number of people that are coming to you,
Yeah.
what are they coming for?
Stress is mainly the things which will happen.
Okay.
Or else if you want to have some healing, it's person to person.
Okay.
And the belief system what they have.
Got
So,
it.
It's intention. Energy works with intention. So when you give the energy, it's a healing energy and you make the intention. And if you allow it, it will work. It depends upon person to person how it will affect them.
Very good. I'm going to come back to ask more questions. Yeah, give me some time and I'll be here soon. Sorry, what is that card? Yes, sure. Oh, Reiki, battery. Nice.
I
Nice
have a
meeting you.
website you can check out.
Cool, sure.
Thank you.
So we have really amazing crystals.
Yep.
And they
That's
have-
organite.
I don't know what they have, but they have like really
Organite.
organite.
Yeah.
Okay, what does it do?
They are good energy. They conserve the good energy and expand it in your room.
Mm-hmm.
So it's good for a bedroom or a family room. So
Okay.
it spreads out the calm energy. So
And why is it in the shape of a pyramid?
itself is conserving the good energy.
Okay.
The shape itself.
Okay.
So you might have seen the the copper pyramids, just the poles.
Mm-hmm.
You just sit inside and you can go into meditative state very fast. And just keeping a pyramid, the copper pyramid in your home gets the good energy, like going to a temple,
Nice.
right? So
Yep.
that's what this is.
Cool. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Let's go, guys. That was really amazing. All the picture videos, $25. Now we have Manjil bhai here.
थैंक यू फॉर
मंजिल
सपोर्टिंग
भाई,
थैंक
कैसे हैं आप?
यू वेरी मच बहुत बढ़िया बहुत अच्छे अरेंजमेंट्स हैं थैंक यू
बहुत शानदार. ये हमारे सुपरस्टार रियलिटी
सपोर्ट
स्टार.
करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है बेला इज ऑलवेज प्राउड टू बी अ स्पॉन्सर थैंक यू
Thank you.
कश्मीरी मैं आ रहा हूँ
Wow, what is this? Namaskar.
Welcome.
Namaskar.
Take your phones out and take a picture of this QR code. This is the first spiritual AI in the world right now.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Yeah. So make sure you
Will you take it?
picture of
Take a
it.
picture.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, when
Sorry.
you take a picture of you taking a picture.
People are really excited here. May I know your name?
Yes, my name is Farah.
Farah?
Yes.
Hey Farah, nice meeting you, and you have really nice setup here. What are you guys doing?
Yes, thank you so much. We are representing Kailasa. This is
Kailasa.
Masharmi.
Yeah.
Namaskar.
Nice to meet you.
This is our guru.
Mm-hmm.
His
Nityanand ji.
Divine Holiness, Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashiva, and these are all the books that he's written. Only few, just 1%. But Swamiji is amazing, amazing, amazing.
Okay.
Yes.
He was a pontiff of Hinduism 293rd or Guru Parampara.
Okay.
So, beginning on Gita says, how Surya gave the, Vaivasvata, the knowledge of Gita, and in that Guru Parampara, he's the 293rd.
Okay. 293rd Guru in
Yeah,
that series.
In
Okay.
that Guru Parampara.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
He is also the founder, so the king of the kingdom of 21 indigenous nations that are only served in India. So 21 nations.
Sorry, what is that? I don't get
We
it.
used to have a 21 Hindu nations
Okay.
in India and 54 Samrajya, and so he is the emperor of all those.
Oh, he's emperor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
because
how is he emperor? Like who declares that?
Because in all those like 1008, there's like akhadas, old akhada and all
Yeah,
those.
Juna Akhada. Yeah.
So all those came and coronated him.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
Yeah, in Madurai temple.
Oh,
And
cool.
when Shiva came as a Sundareswara 1200 years ago, he came as a Sundareswara when Meenakshi was there. So
Mm-hmm.
his previous birth was Meenakshi.
So his previous guru was Meenakshi?
No, he was avatar as a Meenakshi.
Okay, his previous avatar was Meenakshi. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Who was the previous guru, like before him?
Before him, I forgot his name, but he was 292 Sannidhana. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
good. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
before him.
Nice.
And he was coronated like 2015.
And this is such a
Yeah, good day.
Yes.
That's really amazing.
Very much history we need to know.
We should, yeah.
Yeah, and then on an AI, this is the first spiritual AI he have did that.
Okay.
Like all Ganesha, Atharveda, all these in there, all the scriptures in there. So
Okay.
when you ask any questions of spiritual, like even in the middle of the night, you have a question, you can ask and you will answer you promptly right there.
That's cool.
Yeah,
I think.
even Bhaga
Namaskar.
Shastra,
कैसे हैं आप?
even a Bhaga Shastra, our like a food, according to the Bhaga Shastra, what we should eat. So any question asked, that one is also available. It's very,
Good.
very good.
I think we are definitely going to reach out to the AI Guruji
Sure.
and check that
AI
out.
will be really
Yeah.
good.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hi. I'm Pankaj Negi.
Pankaj?
Yes.
I'm Farah. Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
This
nice
is
to
my
meet you too.
spiritual brother, Chase.
James
Chase.
Chase. Alright, cool. Nice meeting you.
Social media stuff.
I'm just recording it for myself. I'll be posting it, but I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I just want to record things whenever we are going somewhere, so that when we look back, we know what was going on.
That's really beautiful. If you want, you can tag us.
Okay.
If you do decide you want to go online, like on Instagram, we're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all social media
That's
platforms.
nice. I love it. Yeah.
So, and make sure you take that picture.
Yeah, I think he got it. I'll take it from him.
So you heard about this?
I know. Yeah, I
You're
know.
familiar with ChatGPT, right?
I am.
Yeah, it's like, so this one's really unique because it's just trained on all of Swamiji's works.
Yep, I know what you're talking about. So I do that kind of thing as well.
It
I'm a
also
software
has-
engineer.
Oh, you're a software engineer.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Have you ever heard about, he's going to say it right, Prana Pratiksha?
Yeah, I'm sure.
What?
You know
Pran
that?
Pratiksha?
Yeah.
Pratishtha,
You know
yeah.
that?
When you set up a deity, you are putting, you are bringing the energy in that,
Yeah,
and
you basically like the thumbprint of the divine.
yeah, you're installing the software in the hardware.
So they were having so many
Yeah.
problems with this technology to get it to work because it hallucinates and does all kinds of different things.
Mm-hmm.
And Swamiji went into samadhi and went through that process on the silicone itself.
Oh, nice. And then
So-
did it change anything?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
it started working.
That's good.
So
Good to
it's-
know. Yeah.
So it's worth checking out, especially if you know about it, you'll have fun.
Sure, definitely I'll check out. I'm doing MBA right now, so I'm kind of checking out different kind of
There's
stuff.
also,
So-
if you're on the computer and you use it, you can also list Ganapati is there. It's trained on like all of the scriptures related to the different deities as well.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you can ask Ganapati directly.
I like the direction you guys are going. It's amazing. Yeah.
Thank you, Pankaj. We really
Yeah.
appreciate
It's all good thing to connect with the next generation. So I like that. Yeah.
We'll see you around. Maybe tell us if you find some good food since you're walking around.
Yeah, sure. You should definitely try the one on the corner. That is the Kashmiri food. My wife is Kashmiri. These guys are like,
that thing anywhere else.
Is it
Not in the
vegetarian?
restaurants.
It is vegetarian.
Because
Everything is
all the
vegetarian here.
Spices we brought from Kashmir.
Wow.
It's really authentic, made at home.
Okay.
You have to
Amazing.
try.
Amazing. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
So are you guys from here or you are visiting from somewhere else?
Columbus for me and Chicago for her.
Oh, you are from Chicago?
Halfway.
Nice. I'm doing my MBA from Kellogg.
Oh.
So I visit Chicago every other week.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, most definitely connect with me because if there's satsang, Swamiji does darshan every day. You can log in on two-way. You can log into programs. You can log on Instagram
Yeah, sure.
Live.
Are you done? Okay. Oh, yeah. Sure.
And you can put in your blessings. You can ask for darshan. You can ask for anything you want, and Swamiji will bless.
Cool. Sure. Definitely. Nice. Thank you. Nice seeing you guys. Namaskar.
Pia. You have a discount temple in Karma? Yes.
Pia ji is looking for the kids' kits. Books for kids. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got a center, Prabhuji. Please do come. Friday, every Saturday, 5 to 7.
Okay.
Please do
But
come.
otherwise, is the temple open?
Only on Saturdays.
5 to 7.
5 to 8 Mataji. And you have Kirtan and Bhajan and then go.
Those guys are associated with Kashmir.
So all these seem to be stories of Krishna.
Oh,
What?
Mataji.
Priya ji,
Pia.
there's some
Prasad.
sweet. Prashad.
Almond burfi.
I'm also going to take one. Thank you.
मैं बात करती हूँ आपके पास.
So we have people here from. That is not Isha. Hi. So where are you guys from?
ISKCON.
Oh, this from ISKCON.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
ISKCON.
Krishna. Nice. So this is the stall from ISKCON, and we have kids-friendly literature here. We have all the Gita stories. It's really nice. Cool. See you guys.
Take one book, please.
Maybe in a while. I'll come back again. Right now I'm kind of Pankaj Negi.
Do you like to have a free Gita?
Sorry.
Do you want it a free Gita?
Free Gita.
Yeah.
Give me some time. I'll be coming back and then I'll pick one. Okay. Thank you. Now we have Namaskaram. कैसे हैं आप? Very good. So we have inner
engineering.
engineering. I think I have done this one.
You've done it?
Yeah,
Oh, there.
but long ago. Now I may have to do it again. I'm kind of not continuing the practice. I think I should be doing again. Do we have one in nearby area?
Happening 19th to 20th, 2nd September in
Oh,
Carmel.
okay.
Where do you live?
I'm in Fisher.
Fisher?
Yeah.
Then you should come. So,
Sure.
do you want to brush up on your practice or what do you want to do?
I think I want to go again because I have not done anything at all. Coming weekend. After doing this, I am a really bad follower. I am a good enthusiastic person. I try everything and then I don't follow up. So that's my bad, nature.
That's why you should come for satsangs. There's a good community here.
I know. I try doing that. I go and then I stop doing that. Yeah. Because I am involved in so many things. I keep trying new things. So that I leave behind. That's my bad. But I like what you guys do. To be honest, I like this program. I like Guruji. His teachings. He's a pretty nice guy. Yeah.
I've been doing it for 7 years now.
How many years?
7 years.
7 years.
I'm a physician.
What is your name?
Subha.
Subha. Where do you live? Carmel?
Carmel.
Okay.
So I did all programs till Samyama.
Okay.
So
So you're all the way up there.
I'm very committed to my practice because I've seen the benefits.
I know. I've seen people praising things about it and not just just like praising anything. There's a structure there, and then you get the benefit as well. Physical, mental, spiritual, all kind of things, and financial as well. So Guruji itself, like he say himself, I'm making you more productive, and I like the way he explains things.
It's only 20 minutes. You should do it. You should restart.
So, I'm not saying it is not a good thing to do. It's more like, you should do exercise, but you don't exercise every day. Yeah, for me it is that kind of thing. I only do things that I like to do. So like, for example, I like to play. So I have different way of exercising. I cannot exercise. I will be playing tennis or badminton or whatever comes. Same way for spirituality or being more productive. I take his teaching and try to implement it in different ways, whatever I can. I am not 100% successful, but I try to do that. That's my way of doing things. But yeah, maybe I will join again.
You join?
Maybe, I don't know. 19th is my wife's birthday, and every other weekend I'm not here. I'm out. I'm doing MBA from Kellogg, so I have to travel every other weekend. So that is another thing I picked up, like, let's do that kind of thing.
What is your background? Are you working?
I'm a software engineer. I live in Fishers here. I was born and brought up in Delhi. Came here in 2011. Since then, I'm working in different segment. Yeah.
Okay. All right, keep in touch.
Sure.
If you want, we can add your name to
Yeah, you
the
can add your name,
Insha Indie
phone
group.
number.
I will write it down.
Yeah.
But Falguni Prajapati. Okay, that's somebody else. Yeah. Interest, I don't know. Maybe class. Not volunteer for now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we'll do a quick one. Sanskrit Bharati is here.
What about what you?
Then we have. Hi.
I think I know you. What's
Yeah,
your
I'm
name?
Pankaj.
Pankaj Negi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your name is? We have
Harsh.
met. Harsh, yeah.
We have met a couple of times. I think Sushil के घर पे मिले एक बार.
हाँ, yes.
And I don't know. कहीं और भी मिले हैं.
हम मिले हैं 2-3 बार. Yes, I know.
हाँ.
So,
अरे तुम्हारी शक्ल देखी तुम्हारी मैंने कहा जाना पहचाना है
yes.
इंसान.
So what are you guys doing here? Financial
we
seminar.
are giving families opportunity to learn, earn, grow, and protect your assets.
So what do you do individually?
Me,
Yeah.
I understand what your needs are.
No,
and
but what is your background and what
mine?
you do? Yeah.
So I am full time. I do work in IT.
Yeah.
This is something I've started recently. This is a part time thing I'm doing.
Okay.
Again, till I get to the point where I can say that this is my full time gig. But right now, as a part of this business, what we do is we talk to families. We talk about what their needs are, and then come up with a plan that works for them. If you say you want to have a side income, you want to change your career, get you introduced to the business, get you trained, get you up and running. If you want to have just some financial services, we'll give you the service that is customized for you, and however it works good for you within your parameters, your needs. Again, we talk about everything in detail and give you a detailed analysis.
Okay.
These are the best options for you. It's your choice. End of the day, if you want to go that route, you have your own thoughts like, oh, can I do this? Can I do that? We can work that out. So we come up with that plan and then work with you. Make sure you are in a financially stable position, that you have your peace of mind.
I like what you guys are doing, and I think there's a very strong need for stuff like this.
Yes.
I don't know whether you cover everything, but whatever you are doing is in a good direction. Let's take.
talk about financial planning, all of that.
Can I have a contact card? Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't have my business card, but if you don't mind sharing your information, we have a session coming up in Carmel on the 28th of September.
Okay.
And either we can meet there, or if that doesn't work for you, we can set up one-on-one time, and so we can set up one-on-one time, and then talk about what your needs are, what services are you interested in. And if you know more people who are interested, you have my number, right? I think
I have your number somewhere. But yeah, it's.
I can
share
write
again.
it down on a
Yeah.
card,
Yeah.
and I can give that to you. So this is my business partner Saurav's card, but I can write my name and number on this.
Yeah, please.
Give me a call anytime, and then we can get you started, get your friends, whatever help they need, we can focus on that.
So I am more interested in as a business perspective, not as a personal,
One thing I'll tell you.
Yeah.
What I have learned is, if you join the business, you learn. You will also realize oh, you know what, this might be helpful for me. This might be helpful.
Yeah, definitely.
So again, it's not that you are just helping others, you learn and you can grow yourself also.
Absolutely.
So,
There's a definite lack of financial, acumen as well as financial planning, information,
Absolutely.
knowledge. We definitely need to do that, and we don't learn that in school. That's the biggest
that is it.
problem.
Yes.
Yeah. So good, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So with
So-
me learning what I'm learning, I'm going to start teaching my kids. Again, have you read this book, Rich Dad Poor
I
Dad?
have done. I read it like 25 years ago. So I've read lots of books. I can
Yeah.
tell you 50 more books on finance, and I'm also doing executive MBA from Kellogg.
Okay.
So I'm learning finance over there as well. So more I learn, more I realize
Yes.
overall in society there's a need for this product, and this is my area where I want to kind of do something of my own as well.
Yeah.
So maybe I can join with you, or maybe I can
Oh,
find a gap
absolutely.
that I can help you with that
Yeah.
in that area. So yeah. So what is this company? Spring Eagles?
So Aspiring Eagles is our organization.
Aspiring,
He's Saurav. His company is Indus Royal Wealth Group. I have just started. I haven't given my business a name.
Okay.
But again, it's like you start your own business. As an organization, as a team, we are all here to support each other.
Yes.
So tomorrow when you join the business, you are not on your own. Like, oh, you know what? Here's all the material. Go read and do your thing. No. We
Sure.
are here to help each other, teach you, get you started, provide you the right information, and then we are like.
This is one
let
of
you
the
grow.
awesome books. Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah. So again, think about it, right? A lot of the crux from these books is something we
look at all the
learn
books.
as a part of the business.
I think I read this one. I read this one. I have read this one. I have read Magic of Thinking Big.
Awesome.
I have not done these two, like not the tax retirement. This one maybe.
Yeah.
Next.
No, but you come.
This is also a nice one.
It
this
is.
is very like a story kind of thing, but it's a good book.
Yeah.
Yeah. The tablet
Yeah.
thing, huh?
Yep, I've read this one. I've read The Psychology of Money,
Okay.
7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I'm yet to read a lot of these books.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are on my list right now.
Cool. Good man. Nice
Awesome.
meeting you.
Likewise.
Yep. We'll connect again.
soon.
Sure.
I'll give you a call sometime whenever you are available.
Sure.
And then we'll get you started.
Perfect. Hi.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Is that your business, Harsha? Like I didn't see the
we
picture. Yeah.
all are independent business owners.
Yeah.
Okay, Harsha, you can.
Oh, he's Harsha. Sorry.
How are you?
I'm Harsha.
Yeah.
Basically, we help each other to build a business. We help
So,
people to create their
Is that you,
agencies.
Saurav?
That's me. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I wanted to check. Sorry, I
Yeah.
missed the name, but yeah. Cool. So what do you do?
I'm in the business owner. So I help people starting businesses.
Okay.
I also help people with the financial planning and advising and all of that. Areas.
Okay. So out of all, because finance itself is a big thing, I know, So what do you focus on?
So the focus is our focus is the holistic approach.
Okay, so you don't have any particular product or any tie-up with any particular company for like,
We
for
do.
example, yeah.
We do.
Okay.
What I learned is that finances is something you don't need specialization, you need the holistic planning.
Yeah.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle for us, right? You have estate planning, you have retirement planning, you have protection, you have insurance, investments, wealth management, college planning, a lot of these things. Now, would a person or family wants to go to 10 different people to get the planning done, where there's no matching with what they're doing, or one place to get all the services. So we have one shop for all solutions. So when we sit down with our clients, with our prospects, we look into their holistic finances. We tie up what are the things they have done, what are their financial goals. Then we bring all the puzzle together to give them the holistic plan.
Perfect, man.
Yeah.
What you are doing, I had exactly the same thing I wanted to do. I wanted to bring it to the people. You are already doing it, so we'll definitely connect and we'll find out how we can take it further. Yes.
Awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
You too, man. We have more jewelry here. What kind of jewelry is that? Let's take a look. Akshar Square Bullion. Okay, I don't know. People are busy here, so let's move on. We don't have much time. There are more stalls outside as well. I'll just give you a quick look around and see. People are selling clothes, jewelry, more clothes. I think all the clothes brands are outside. Then we have here talk to Tucker stall. Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, pretty good.
That's
Nice. Cool. So you are
Buy a
representing
house.
Taka here, buying a house. Yeah, maybe. Is it a good time to buy now for investment purpose?
For investment, no.
No. Okay. So when is the good time?
So let the interest rate go down.
Okay. But then everybody will jump in.
Nahin, so a lot of people are like because of the job, inflation, things have changed a lot,
Yes.
like from before. So I think the best time would be November, December, when
Okay.
builders want to get rid of the inventory.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
they give it
November
at
is
good
the
price.
end of the financial year. Is that
December.
December? Okay.
So they want to get rid of the inventory, and then interest rates are going down.
Okay.
So yeah, at least start seeing now, and then maybe buy then.
Cool.
Where do you live?
I'm in Fishers. Yeah.
Where's your family? I don't
Family
see your
is, so we are having that Kashmiri food stall at the extreme end, and everybody is busy there. And my kids, they are volunteering with some
I know.
bouncy
yeah,
house
yeah,
activity.
Yeah, that's good.
So,
That's the age, right?
yeah. So they are all scattered all over the place.
Nice.
Yeah. Cool. Nice seeing you. Good tip on when to invest.
Yeah.
I think I'll touch base with you on that. Cool. Thank you. Maiga's collection of jewelry. And the next one is clothes. I think I'll just bypass clothes. Hello. We have lots of clothes and beautiful clothes sold by beautiful people. And then we have nice jewelry. Cool. Oh wow, we have something going on here. The Chandrasekhar picture is here and somebody's making balloon animal. Kids are lining up. Cool. All tons. Jewelry. We have somebody here. Hello.
कैसे आप?
एकदम बढ़िया. आप कैसी हैं?
All good, all good. Hopefully this is
आप
not.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
मैं कश्मीरी कावा को मार्केटिंग कर रही हूँ.
Very good. So we have marketing going on, active marketing.
USP, yeah.
Yep. Let's see. Let's head back. Hi. So we are back to Bal Gokulam, not back to that. We are here earlier. That's why I'm saying back to. This one is. What is this? This is the Maratha stall. Marathi people are selling Marathan food. Then we have Gangotri, the drink station. नमस्कार. कैसे हैं आप?
खुश रहो ठीक है ठीक है
और आपने क्या गंगा बहा की है?
हाँ एकदम गंगा बहा दिया
Very good.
कौन सा ट्राई करना है
अभी तो कुछ नहीं, भी मैं आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. फिर करेंगे, सारी ट्राई करेंगे थोड़ा. यस. अंबाड़ी, Kerala Hindus of India. There's a big line here. Nice. That shows how popular the food is.
Yes, Ambani food is popular.
Yay!
Ambani is popular. Ambani is popular.
So we have Aparna ji here selling stuff. Dosa. People are excited to get their food. And over there, behind the stall, they are cooking the food. Live cooking is happening as we go. That's really amazing. Jai Guru. Samosa chaat. Wow. Looks yummy. It's difficult to explain. People are puzzled. Let's see how they are explained. There's a good conversation going on. Hi. How are you? I'm recording. Is that okay? No, you don't want to be? Okay, then. That's okay. Then I'll take it off. Yeah. Cool. Now we are back to our own stall, Kashmiri stall. People are sitting here, smelling, smiling. Uncle ji is here. Very happy. मैं वो देख रहा था, रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था कि कब सब लोगों ने क्या क्या किया हुआ है. तो यहाँ कश्मीरी स्टॉल पे भी काफ़ी लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है. People are buying food. People are busy here serving food. Looks good. Let's let's not do that right now. So we have Kashmiri people eating Kashmiri food. How are you doing? How's the food?
Amazing.
It's amazing.
The best.
Okay, cool. So we got authentic feedback from authentic people. Nice. So that was it. And last thing over there is we have a bouncy house. Let's check out that as well. Vatsu and Hardik were volunteering here. Monica ji is saying they need help desperately. Let's find out. Hey, pretty good. How are you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Nice. Are you in college now?
Yeah, first year.
First year? Which one?
IU Bloomington.
Are you? Cool. What are you doing?
Neuroscience. pre-med.
Neuroscience. Cool. Hi Hardik. So how is the business going? Are you here volunteering or not?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
I'm running it for an hour or so.
Okay, cool. So seems like your business is booming, huh?
It is booming, yeah.
Yeah.
We've gotten like $30-40 here.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
that's a lot of money and lots of kids. Big responsibility.
Bounce, yes.
Yeah. So how's the college life going, man?
It's a lot more boring than I expected.
Really?
Classes are a lot more fun than I had expected. So
Oh.
really, it's just the opposite of what I was thinking.
For college?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you rarely see that people saying, or the kids going to college saying that classes are fun and college is boring.
No, wait. If you bunk first week, then you might actually be a loser. I won't lie, because the professors are really fun. Like, yeah.
Golden words. Remember this. Guys, next year
Don't worry,
or
I'll
maybe
make-
year after that.
I'll make sure I'll be very nice to the professors.
Okay, cool.
However, I will be doing, I'll be like doing something. I'll do something.
Yeah. By the way, how is your business going?
Tickets.
Tickets, let me see. Oh man, these
And
are
you get
lots of tickets.
7% tax.
7% tax?
Yeah.
Why?
Isn't that how they do it?
No.
In all the math problems? Billy buys 10
Mm-hmm.
bars.
Yeah. But they do, but you don't have to do it here. Yep, cool. So that's it, guys. It's a beautiful day out here. Little warmer for my or hotter for my taste, but outside is really nice. It's little like nice breezes flowing through, and that's it. Thank you.